Okay, so in this video, as you can see, we decided to make steak and shrimp hibachi at home. It's very simple. It takes about 30 minutes to cook, about probably 10 minutes to prepare. The first thing that you want to do is cook the rice first because you are going to fry the rice. Make sure you fluff it, put it in another bowl and set it to the side, put it in the refrigerator. Now we prep for chopping the vegetables. Make sure you wear gloves and change them in between because you do not want to cross-contaminate. So we made zucchini, mushrooms, and onions. Traditional hibachi has zucchini, mushrooms, and onions. Onions is just for flavoring, so you don't even need to have one in order to do that. So what we're going to do, we're going to chop them. Then we're going to put them in a bowl, keep them separated, put it to the side. We're going to prepare the flat iron. So with this pan has to be very hot because we are going to cook the steak first. So you just want to get some oil. I use avocado oil. Put it on the pan, let it heat, and now we're going to prepare the steak. So you want to wash it. Make sure you clean it, not just rinse it off. You want to actually clean the steak. Then you want to sit it down. You want to pat it dry on both sides, and then you're going to drop all the herbs and seasonings that you prefer onto the steak. So you're going to make sure you tenderize it. A lot of people forget this step, and your steak is not tender. This is a very important step. You can do it however which way. If you have a plate, if you have anything that can tenderize it. Now when you rub your seasonings in, make sure you get it on all the sides. Make sure you get it in between. Make sure you season it well. So after that, you want to lay it on the flat iron. Lay it on the flat iron, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes per side. Wait before you say anything. It's going to be cooked. Just keep watching, and I'm going to show you why I said 5 minutes per each side. So after it's cooked, after it's flipped for the first time, you want to add the garlic butter. Don't add the garlic butter until the other side is cooked. So after that, you want to chop it in cubes. This is going to finish cooking the steak. Once it's finished cooking, it's going to look like this. You're going to take it off of the cast iron, and then you're going to set this to the side. So after this, you want to rinse the shrimp. Season the shrimp really well. Don't forget to change your gloves. Again, cross-contamination is real. You can die from that shit. So after that, you want to lay the shrimps on the same flat iron. Lay it on there. And then if you're going to go ahead and flip them, it's like 2-3 minutes per side. Keep in mind, this skillet is really, really hot. You have to keep this on high heat. So after that, you want to prepare the opposite side of the cast iron that you're not using with the cooked shrimp. You are going to just put some more oil on the opposite side, and then you're going to put the veggies. So you're going to put the zucchini, the onions, and the mushroom. It's no particular order. It just make sure they're separated. Don't mix them together. It's not a stir fry. So please don't forget not to mix this shit together, because if you do, you kind of fucked up the whole meal. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to put this on the opposite side. Don't forget to remove the shrimp off, and then go ahead and keep tossing and tossing the vegetables. If you ever been to a hibachi grill, you know what I mean. So this is when you keep it separated. Now we're about to fry the rice. You want to crack 2 eggs, scramble them, put the rice in the refrigerator on the skillet, continue to fry it, and then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is what it's going to look like. After that, you're going to take a mold, any mold that you want, press it with a spoon, and then put it in the middle of a plate and hit the back of it. This is going to create the mold of the whole hibachi feel. So after that, it's going to look like this. And then you're going to start to pile on all the cooked food that you just did. The zucchini, the onions, the mushrooms, the steak, and the shrimp. So once you pile it around. That's why I said put it in the middle. Pile it around the circle, and then you're going to add the yum yum sauce. I'm going to do another video on that. But when you add that, this is what it looked like. And this is your hibachi at home. You can spend $20 at hibachi, $20, $30, $40. Some people do spend that. Or you can cook it for $30 and get you 6 servings. So that's it.